good. Nice.
On point. She adjusted, dang it. This looks. Then y'all get it.
Kids are very fun. Right, babe? What's going on, guys? Another day, another video. I'm trying to put out as many videos as I can. Got a lot of feedback from the last video, so we got some windshield banner to put on this guy. I got these two to throw on right here, the Lucid website, and then this big giant one. This one I'm thinking of putting it right here, maybe a little lower. Looks decent on there. Cause that's huge.
That's what she said.
Not back here, but actually don't look that bad right there. And then for this one, I feel like doing it here, maybe. No, not up there. Up here. No, yeah, I think this one right here is perfect. And then the other one in the front. Alright, so I just put on the sticker on the back. Let's go ahead and peel it off and see how it comes out. So that is it for the back. Let's take care of the front now. A little cleaning to do. I was able to find this Bondo mixer squeegee thing in the garage, so it bubbles out and shit. Alright guys, looks like that's a wrap for the vinyls, stickers, whatever you want to call them, banners. Decided to put this one up in the front. So let's see what else today has in store. Thinking about going down to the strip to see if come across some cool cars since SHMEE's here this week, and I wasn't able to get tickets. It's $100 that I don't have to spend on that. So let's see what we come across down there. See you later. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm Shmee, hello and welcome back to the channel where you rejoin me with the Stradman, where my car is emerging from the Batcave.
How's it going? Nice. You enjoy SHMEE?
Oh yeah, it's been a crazy show. Busy, keeping things going, but now out for a little cruise.
How you got this here, right-hand drive?
Shift it over.
Saw? Hey, I'm back. We ended up on the strip. I told you guys I was trying to see at least some cars or for SHMEE and whatnot. So we ended up down here, as you saw, some Lambos, GTRs, and whatnot. And yeah, we're just taking a stroll with the kids and just having a good time. It's crazy how we were able to get some of the parade without even paying for a ticket, because you needed a ticket to get in. We just decided to drive as close as possible to the convention center, and yeah, we came across that. I mean, we got diverted out the way and then we came around back to the strip, but we were able to catch some cool cars, so I'm hype on that. He's hype on that. She just don't like to talk in the camera. Look at this sick ass VW. Nice. That's dope. Thank you. Ice cream truck. So you guys know where we had to end the night. White Castle, baby. What White Castle you go to that you could get beer with your meal?
Red fries, 3 pounds, and then a double cheese.
On tap, baby. I am by the sack. Hey, yo. Things you gotta do. Oh, shit. I'm gonna bust my ass. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Had a good time with the family, watching some cars. Tried to catch SHMEE, but I ain't spending all that money until YouTube pays. But till then, I'm gonna enjoy this White Castle, you feel me? And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.